Gonna send it.
From the dirt roads to the city lights, I've done my dirt, cold shitty life. Before the rooster crows, I'm up getting mine. I bring the country to the city, elbows and dimes. Well, some bitch, look what them boys done come with. Then fuck the fame, man, I'm cool off that dumb shit. Born in the boons and sticks got me this far. You've come from the hills, you leave with a few scars. I wasn't stacking racks, I was stacking car tires. I marked my land with 8 miles of barbed wire. Seems like since we was kids, we was hardwired to drink whiskey and bar fights and start fires. Out in my shop, I got something to ranch on. And out in my crop, I got something to stench on. Sport a car hard, bitches got something to clench on. And you can't tell me nothing, homeboy, I'm too headstrong. And we was tired of the same shit, all you lame kids, so we made our own language. I got a weed degree, so fuck Cambridge. Cali Wild, let them know who we came with.
Promise country as your gun wrapped in camo. Fuck around and chop the top up off the Lambo. From the other side, but Bubba still fam though. No strings attached, country as some banjos. I ain't tripping, I was racing tough tennis shoes. And been through way too much to ever try to envy you. I'm a country boy, the city life is minuscule. Fuck the water, grow some weed up in the swimming pool. There's a party, everybody bring your wheelbarrow. I ain't country, man, you're funny, Will Ferrell. Fuck your liquor, we get moonshine and we fill barrels. White lightning and I ain't just hyping. I keep the greenery, don't fuck with the tumbleweed. And I surround myself with family cause they humble me. Long distance, better know I ain't playing with you. JG hit him with the Winchester.
From the dirt roads to the city lights, I've done my dirt, cold shitty life. Before the rooster crows, I'm up getting mine. I bring the country to the city, elbows and dimes.
Where I come from, we hustle hard. For the money, not the muscle, but the muscle cars. Ride around on 22s just to pull a couple bras. Get out and go and floss on the boulevard. Yeah, city boys is what they call us. Only backwoods you catch us on is if we rollin'. Rollin' sticky green, stone cool is what they call us. If you don't fuck with the crew, my nigga, then learn something. Fuck a hater, stay high, stay together. Me and the good old boys, Bubba Sparks, tell me who better. If I get on the track, you know that I'ma kill it. About to take a trip to the Ville, Bubba, let's get it. Why they worry about the money I ain't spending? I'm just chillin' with my kinfolk, smoking, poking these women. They think I'm illin'. Hopped on the country rap track and straight killed it.
From the dirt roads to the city lights, I've done my dirt, cold shitty life. Before the rooster crows, I'm up getting mine. I bring the country to the city, elbows and dimes. I was country before it was cool to be. That dirt road life ain't nothing new to me. They forgot about Bud, but they soon to be reminded of what he done and it just begun. I'm on the run in Sacramento with the good old boys, that's my kinfolk. I had a Pinto, then I traded it for a Ford SUV and I made it explore. And you can't ignore that. Real tree camouflage on the doormat. 30-30 in the gun rack. Mixed country with rap, I done that. Way before you ever seen that. In your wildest dreams, you couldn't dream that. So tell me where the love at. You must have known at some point I would come back.
Country boy do it big like a pine tree. On the porch with my folks sipping sweet tea. Generations in the town, man, about 3. Ain't no other place in the world I'd rather be than with my kinfolk on the good smoke. Barbecue at the pad, homie, let's go. Yeah, you know how we do it here. In the game, hogging lanes, better keep clear. In my pickup truck, rolling with the beat up. Flying down a back road, better roll the weed up. Full moon, cold brew in the fresh air. Cagaboo, Stacey Duke standing over there. Making moves, causing grooves just to get the dough. Got a little now, but I need a little more. Tip your hat to the game, man, that's how it go. Like to do our shit big, but we ride slow.
From the dirt roads to the city lights, I've done my dirt, cold shitty life. Before the rooster crows, I'm up getting mine. I bring the country to the city, elbows and dimes. From the dirt roads to the city lights, I've done my dirt.
Hit it. The joys of flying drones, man. Oh, we did this with an airplane one time. I had a EDF jet.
Oh,
First time flying it. I lost control of it.
How mad y'all gonna be? Y'all get y'all shoes caught up in the tree.
I don't care. These things belong in the trash anyways. These come from like 1960.
Yeah, his jet didn't come down in as good a shape as it went up in.
Oh, there she is.
No, we're nailed it.
Keep
Look,
flying.
just so we are all clear, we nailed it. You're good. And he's flying again, back out of the tree. We are gonna edit this into the very end of the video. If he doesn't do it again.